Good morning, friends. Yesterday, we have just given the detailed discussion on the Ichimoku trading system, and I think everybody has understood the basic of Ichimoku trading system. Today, what we will do, we will analyze the stock on the basis of Ichimoku trading system, along with the use of MACD. Means on the combination of both the indicators, that is Ichimoku and MACD, we will analyze the stock, when to enter, and what's the target for that particular stock. Same in the case of index also. So at around 11 a.m., we have shortlisted the list of stocks on the basis of Ichimoku trading system. And thereafter, we have gone for the generation of list on the basis of SuperTrend and MACD as we are doing earlier. So I am sharing the list of both the indicators, list of the stock on the basis of Ichimoku and MACD as well as SuperTrend and MACD. So I am sharing you the results or the list of the stocks. Friends, 1 minute. So friends, this is the list we have generated on the basis of Ichimoku trading system, and the three stocks have been identified, that is Bharat Electronics Limited, Titan Company Limited, as well as State Bank of India. Whereas in case of SuperTrend, 1 minute, I am opening the See, this is the list of the stocks which had satisfied the criteria on the basis of SuperTrend as well as MACD strategy. So the stock is Bharat Electronics Limited, HDFC Life Insurance Company Limited, Titan and State Bank. Means HDFC Life Insurance Company is the extra stock which we have got on the basis of SuperTrend as well as MACD. So friends, I will analyze the three stocks, that is all the stocks, that is Bharat Electronics, HDFC Life Insurance, Titan Company and State Bank of India for your reference, and I will ask you all to just do the analysis on the basis of SuperTrend and see what is the uh, potential target and fix the trigger price so that you can understand the system at the most. So I am taking you to the chart, and first I will analyze the State Bank of India, that because it is just satisfying the criteria for the entry. So State Bank of India first we will analyze. This is the chart of State Bank of India. See, in case of State Bank of India, we are just visualizing that the Tinkan and Kinjun cross positive crossover, means Tinkan has crossed Kinjun upward on the first candle itself. First candle it is overlapping. Second candle we have got the confirmation. So what we are seeing in the case of State Bank of India, Tinkan and Kinjun has given the positive crossover at around 9:30, and instantly we have got the confirmation from the MACD also. We will take this particular candle for for fixing up the trigger price, and for that we have to look back 26 period so that we can find out the highest price the stock has made during this particular period. So from here we will look back 26 period back. What we are observing is 22, 23, 26. Clear cut, the close of this particular candle, today's close of this uh, trend confirmation candle, you can say this is the close of this particular candle is will be the trigger price for entry. So we will draw a horizontal line here, and now we are just going to fix the target in case of Ichimoku on the basis of pivot system. The weekly pivot has been used here, and the target is, first the entry level is 604.95 and first target is 609.95 and final target is 619.60. So these are the two targets which we are just visualizing in case of State Bank of India. So now we will move to the another stock on the basis of Ichimoku, that is Titan Company Limited. Titan. Titan Company Limited. See here, in case of Titan, we are just seeing the crossover by the Tinkle sale and Kinyu sale on 15 at around 1445. Thereafter, we are just checking the position of MACD. MACD has not given the confirmation. On 18th, that is today, at around 9:30 a.m., we have got the confirmation from the MACD also, and from here we can say that the trend is bullish in the near future or short term. The trend is bullish. So we have identified the candle, and from here we are looking back 25 period to find out the highest price so that we can get the trigger price. But here in case the close of this particular candle is the highest. So we have taken the highest, we have drawn the trigger price. This is the trigger price which we have just generated, and just waited to trade the stock above this line. So we have got the first confirmation at around 10 a.m. and here here all the conditions for the trade is now satisfied. So our task is to fix the target for this particular stock. This is the first target, that is 3370, and second target, this is 3376. These two targets are the short term target, means at least one has to wait for 7 days to complete both the targets. First target which we have just seen, that can be achieved in a day or two. But for the second target, one has to wait, because after breaching the first target, there will be some retracement. After that, again breaching is there on the upward side, then it will move to achieve the second target. So all the aspect of the title has been discussed for your knowledge and reference. You can take it as a reference for deciding your own trading. Positions or so friends, I'm just asking you again to just go through the analysis on the basis of SuperTrend and MACD so that you can get the trigger price and thereafter you fix the target for your reference so that you can be familiar on this new system. Simultaneously, I am discussing each and every system which is very important for any traders to understand. Now comes the last stock, that is BEL, that is Bharat Electronics Limited. See, Bharat Electronics Limited, what you are visualizing here, Shinkansen Kinjunsen crossover has been seen in the first candle. Instantly, the MACD has also given the trend confirmation. From this candle, one can say that the price has entered into the bullish phase and may continue for a day or two in the short term basis. So now we have the task to fix the trigger price because this is the first candle. Today's first candle is the trend continuation pattern. Trend confirmation candle. So we will take this candle as a this we will take this candle for calculation purpose. So when we look back 26 period back, what we are observing that the opening of this particular candle is the highest. 26, 25, this is 26. So this particular candle is the opening of this particular candle is the highest. So in case of Bharat Electronics, one should enter the trade above 143.45, which is the trigger price. So in case of Bharat Electronics, the trade has to be executed or taken into account above 143.45 because this is the trigger price, and the rule behind it is very clear that unless and until the price breaches and traded above the trigger price, one should not enter into the trade. So in case of Bharat Electronics, one should wait that stock should at least reach 143, reach above 143.45. Now the targets has to be fixed now. There is one single target, that is 149.85. You can say 149.75. This is the target in case of Bharat Electronics Limited, which will take at least 7 to 10 days. So friends, this is the analysis on the basis of Ichimoku. All the three stock has been analyzed. There is one stock left, that is SDFC. 1 minute. SDFC Life Insurance Company, which is satisfying the criteria for the strategy, SuperTrend and MACD. So we will analyze the HDFC Life Insurance Company Limited also on the basis of a strategy that is Ichimoku and MACD. So I am just opening the chart for HDFC Life Insurance. HDFC Life. This is the only analysis for your reference. Do not enter into the trade. This is an educational channel. See, in case of HDFC Life Insurance Company, MACD has generated the signal at around 11:15 on 15th of September. Whereas we have got the trend confirmation from the Ichimoku on 15th September 12:30, where you are just visualizing that the Tinker chain has given the positive crossover, that is, it has moved above the Kinjun chain at around 12:30 p.m. on 15th of September. Means these are the two conditions. And third condition, which I have just explained you in detail, that was when I have just giving the lecture on the basis for understanding the trading system, Ichimoku trading system on 17th of September. Just see and watch the video. So here we will, these two things I have just identified right now, and the third one on the basis of Chicago span. What is the role of Chicago span for determining the trigger price? So what you are saying that the Chicago span is clearly up on this particular candle. Okay. So from this candle, we will look forward 26 period to determine the highest price. This is 26 candle, 25 candle. This is 26 candle. So this is the candle on the basis of Chicago span. On the basis of Chicago span, first entry we have got at not this is not first entry. This is the second entry. Okay. First we will determine. This is the second entry. This is the second entry. Yes. So on the basis of Chicago span, you have got the trigger price at 653.80, and the first one after getting the signal confirmation, that is here. When you are looking back 26 period, what you are observing that just look back 26 period from this particular candle, because this is the trend confirmation candle. 25. This is 26. See this candle. The opening of this candle is the trigger price, that is 647.40. So in case of HDFC Life Insurance, we have just observed that we have generated the two trigger price. That is, first one is 647.40 and second one is 653.80. These two trigger price, in case of Ichimoku trading system, we got the two trigger price, and from here the concept is same, that whenever the price moves above the trigger price, or traded above the trigger price, one should enter into the trade. The first trade can be entered at around 647.40 and second trade can be entered at around 653.80. Okay, friends. Now we have to just fix the targets. What are the targets for the HDFC Life? The first target is very near, that is 655.15, for that can be utilized for the intraday players. Then the second target is 665.45, which has just now touched. And third target is 682.10. So friends, already the second target has been touched by this stock, and unless and until the stock is traded above this particular target, one should not enter into the trade, because here we can see some retracement and we should wait for the retracement to complete. If there is not seen any retracement, the stock is bullish enough to move further. In that case, one should enter into the trade above above the second target, that is 665.35. And the fundamental rule for the exiting of the stock, whenever the stock comes below this particular target, one should exit whatever is the condition, because the retracement may be heavy or deep enough to take your profits. So one should wait to complete the retracement. So these are the four stocks which has been just discussed for your reference, and I will just ask you or request you to analyze all these four stocks on the basis of SuperTrend and MACD, so that you should be familiar enough to understand both the trading system. So friends, I have explained you each and every aspect of the trading system. Now I request you to kindly forward your queries if you have any difficulty regarding the understanding of these two systems. So I have already mentioned the email and in the contact, as well as uh, you can drop your query in the comment section so that we can clarify. And thirdly, the most important, I would like you friends to just have your attention to put the video in your group or share the video so that our subscribers can be benefited. So friends, thank you very much. Have a nice day. One more thing, and the lastly, for an encouragement, you just give us the like on for this video and help us to promote the traders so that one should not lose. I am here to just explain each and every aspect of the trading. So one by one, I am just sharing the knowledge. Or there is no need to go fast for achieving number of trading system. One follow one trading system, whatever it may be, and as per your understanding or grip in the particular systems, what we will discuss, you should follow only one trading system. The result will be same in any of the trading system which you are just following. So friends, thank you very much for today. Not today, for now. I will just demonstrate any other stocks or any other scripts which will which is satisfying the conditions. So thank you very much.